Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can see order history on Shop app. So first step you need to do is to open the Shop app. Once you launch the app on your device, make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you log in, you simply need to click on in the bottom right corner in the menu bar. You can find an option to access your order history. Once you click on that, you can click on the option to proceed, and you can see all of your orders in the order history tab. You can see all of your orders, and each orders show you a detail of order number, date of purchase, item ordered, and order status. If you want, you can select specific order if you want to delete, or you can change anything. Here you can see that you can check all the order detail like payment method, shipping details, and any tracking information available. So this is the process that you need to follow to see order history on Shop app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.